Alright, good day, students. As you can see, you are required to make x the subject of the formula in each of the given equation. So we will start by solving the first one. In this case, you are given x over s plus a minus a over s plus b is equals to 1. So we have to clean here. When we solve the first one, we will solve the second one. So in this kind of problem, the first thing you have to do is to find the lowest common multiples of the denominator. You have to find the lowest common multiple of the denominator in order to solve this problem. So we have to find the L.C.M of s plus a and s plus b. In this case, which is s plus a, s plus b. So once you have found it, you multiply it to the equation. Multiply it into the equation. In that case, you have s plus a, s plus b, multiplying x over s plus a, minus a, write this term s plus a, s plus b, divided by s plus b is equals to, you multiply this 1 multiplying by s plus a, s plus b. So this first thing. Once you have done that, the next thing you have to do is to simplify what you have multiplied. You have to simplify it. By doing that, you notice that there's s plus a here, there's s plus a here, so it can cancel out. There's s plus b here, there's s plus b here, it cancel out. So once you have done that, the next thing you have to do is to write the remaining terms. So the remaining terms here, this implies x in bracket s plus b minus a in bracket s minus plus a. Any number multiplying by 1 is still the number of variable. In this case, have s plus a, s plus b. So at this point, the next thing you have to do is to expand the bracket and collect like terms. Expand bracket and collect like terms. S multiply s will give us s squared. S multiply b will give us sb. Or I can say bx, whichever one. Multiplication is closed under the operation, so bx minus a times x will give us ax, minus a times a will give us minus a squared. S times s will give us s squared. S times b will give us bx. A times s will give us ax. A times b will give us what? ab. So once we have done that, the next thing is we have to collect like terms in one side of the equation. We have to collect like terms in one side of the equation. So in this case, we have s, this coming to this side, we have s minus x. Sorry. So we have x. Bring everything here to this side, and when you are bringing all of them to this side, remember that the sign will change. And when you are bringing them, try to bring them close to their similar term. S have s squared. S crosses this equal sign, we have minus s squared. We write this one, bs plus b. Bs crosses equal sign, have minus bx, and then we have minus ax plus ax crosses equal sign, have minus ax, and then we have minus a squared, then plus ab crosses this equal sign, have minus what? ab. Remember that when all of them crosses the other sign, what we left is 0. So in this case, we see some terms that are common. They are 2 plus minus, so they cancel out. Plus minus, they cancel out. So here we have minus as minus as, we sum off to minus 2ax, and they'll have minus a squared minus ab, and that is equals to 0. So these terms, because we are trying to make s the subject of the formula, let it cross the other equal sign. Let's cross to the right hand side. We have minus a squared minus ab. This crosses the other side, it becomes plus, so we have 2ax. So the next thing you have to do is to divide both sides by 2a to make s the subject. This will cancel, is it not? So once it cancels, what we left, we only have x. In this case, we have x left. So in this case, have x is equals to minus a squared minus ab divided by 2a. So look at the numerator and factor out minus a, which is common to both the terms. We have minus a in bracket a plus b divided by 2a. There's a here, there's a here, so it cancels out. And so once we do that, what we left, we'll have only terms. So when you do that, what is the value of x? In this case, x will be equals to minus a plus b divided by 2. That is the value of x. That is the value of x. And this is what you are required to solve. So by making x the subject of the formula, you arrive at minus. Remember to put this bracket. If you don't put it, and maybe you just write s is equals to minus a plus b over 2. It's not the answer, because this minus is affecting everything in the bracket. So in this case, we have that s is equals to minus in bracket a plus b divided by 2. So we have solved the first one. So we have that x is equals to minus in bracket a plus b divided by 2. So let's look at the second one. Let's look at the second question. The second question, you are given r to be equals to the square root of ax minus p divided by q plus bx. So you are to make s the subject of the formula. You are required to make s the subject of the formula. The first thing you have to do is to square both sides of the equation. Square the equation. Square the equation. If you square the equation, you have r squared is equals to the square root of ax minus p divided by q plus bx all squared. And this will clear the square, clear this radical to give us, in this case, we have ax minus p divided by q plus bx. So at this point, the next thing you have to do is to cross multiply. If you cross multiply, you have r squared in bracket q plus bx is equals to ax minus p. So at this point, you expand bracket. Expanding the bracket, you have, when you expand bracket, have q r squared plus, in this case, you have bx r squared is equals to ax minus p. So bring everything here to this side. Bring everything here to this side. So we have, hope you are seeing it. Bring everything here. We have q r squared plus bx r squared minus ax plus p is equals to 0. So let's fill in here. So the next thing you have to do at this point is to try to terms that is in containing, or rather, to make it very simple, let's clean here. Let's leave this one, because our aim is to make S the subject of the formula. So since our aim is to make S the subject of the formula, we leave this one. Let minus p crosses equal sign. If minus p crosses equal sign, we have q r squared plus b s is r squared is equals to, when this crosses equal this equal sign, become plus p, and then we have only ax. So this term, let this term here go to the other side. If you do that, have q r squared plus p. When it crosses this equal sign, the sign changes to minus. So you have ax minus bx r squared. So in this case, we can factor out x because it's common to both terms. Have x in bracket a minus b r squared. So we have here q r squared plus p. So the next thing you have to do is to, since s is already out, divide both sides of the equation by a minus b r squared. Divide here by a minus b r squared. This cancel out. Once that is done, you see that we have all the terms in. We are already making x the subject. So from here, what can you say about x? So from here, since this is has already cancelled, we have all the x. So x is equals to this term here. So in that case, when we make s the subject of the formula, we have s equals to q r squared plus p divided by a minus b r squared, and that is the answers. If you enjoyed this lesson, before you go, do me a favor, click the subscribe button to encourage me to bring more videos for your views. Like and share, others will be aware of these free videos that I'm giving to you. If this is the first time of coming to here to my channel, and the best thing is to click the subscribe button so that whenever there is new update, you'll be the first person to receive the test. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you in the next video. Bye for now.